Till the fan even know it's salty. Hate to see you messing around the brand. Are you happy? Hate to see you happy if I'm not the one driving. I'm so mature. I'm so mature. I'm so mature.
Okay guys, so I took off my wig. I had put this headband on because I had to go to the store, y'all, and I still have glue around my hairline. Also, don't mind this, I got burnt the other day trying to do my hair. I'm so fed up because what the hell. Anyways, I've decided tonight that I'm going to soak off my nails, and I'm also going to wash and blow dry my hair. I'll probably just put it in a blowout bun and like wear a headband or something tomorrow for my clients, because tomorrow I have 4 clients and I got tomorrow I have 4 clients, and then the next day I have a hair appointment, and that day is really supposed to be my maintenance day. So my maintenance really starts in 2 days. But tomorrow when I have 4 clients, I know after them 4 clients, I'm not going to feel like washing nor blow drying my hair. So I'm just going to save me the time, since I only have 1 lash client and she's coming at 4:30, I believe. So after her set, I'm going to wash and blow dry my hair, and then I think I'm gonna soak my nails off after that. Okay guys, so I finally got my nails off. It feels so weird, but per healthy soak off, if you guys don't get y'all's nails soaked off, or at least try and do it yourself, then that's probably why y'all nails not even thin, but at least like probably hurting or just super sensitive. Jasper usually bites my nails, I feel like, because they'd be like hella long, but he's not really trying to bite them now. He's just licking my hands.
I get the sense that it's a cause. I get the sense that you might really love her. This is gonna be a business. This sex is evidence. I try to ration, but you know murder's a crime of passion. But damn,
y'all, hair is finally done. Oops, because this ain't cute. Anyways, I'm gonna just put my hair into a bonnet. I really want some ice cream. But I'm about to clean up because I have to get up super early. Y'all, look, I just feel like they're so cute. I'm happy I did the hearts because I was just going to leave them white at first, but yeah, I think they're so cute. Also, do not mind my room in the bag. So I finally finished my toes. Now I just have to get ready. Dang, I just realized it's not even that good thing I did my toes though, because now I can wear some sandals. Y'all, I feel like my toes haven't been white in such a long time, y'all, and I put these like super cute little pink hearts on it so they could look more Valentine-ish or whatever. But yeah, I'm just about to go to Quarter to 10 to see if they have like some light pink hair so I can mix it in with my braids, because I feel like that's gonna look so cute. But yeah, I'm about to brush my hair out and just put it in a ponytail. Ugh. Okay guys, so I definitely did not have enough time to do my nails, but I'm not even mad because I really feel like it shouldn't take her no more than 6 hours to do my hair. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, so if she's done before 9, I can totally still do my nails tonight. so all my maintenance would be done. But I did still want to wax, so I still do have to do that. But yeah, I just feel like every time I have a plan, it does not work out. My plan was to do my toes last night. That way when I woke up, I could just do my nails, which I would have had plenty of time if I had worked on my nails first and then just wore socks or something and did my toes. But I just really wanted my toes done, y'all. Like, my nails had been longer. I mean, they've been done longer than my toes had, and I just really wanted my toes done. But yeah, if anything, tomorrow I have one client for lashes, so I don't even know why I was stressing myself out, but I can also just do my nails tomorrow, or if anything, decorate them, because I do want to get at least application done tonight, and then maybe like I can just spend all my time tomorrow decorating them, but we'll see. Okay guys, so it's the morning, and as you see, this is how y'all know I think it's about to be a good day, because my scar is already peeling, and I'm about to fuck with it and peel some more off. But today is the 31st, y'all. Tomorrow is February 1st, and I plan on having this video uploaded on the first day of the month, you know, maintenance or whatever. I don't know why I still got this dusty-ass nose piercing in, like I didn't just buy 4 yesterday. And I also bought me some earrings. I didn't put it in yet, but it's gonna go in my 3rd hole, and it's gonna look cute, y'all. So my client texted me today, which was actually my friend, and hi Jasper, and she told me if we could reschedule. So I kind of have a free day, y'all. So now I'm excited because I don't feel rushed. And yeah, all I have to do, y'all, is do my nails and pretty much wax, and then I'm gonna do some skincare and do some makeup to take pictures. Okay guys, I had to cut in. As you can see, brows are done and I waxed and stuff. I finished the application for one hand and it's looking so cute, y'all. I haven't did my other hand yet though. I need to run to the store real quick for my grandma, and then I'm gonna come back and finish this hand and then just start decorating the whole set so I can be done. Okay guys, I'm back. So now that I'm back, I get to finish my other hand. So let's just go on ahead and finish that, and then it's time to start decorating my favorite part, and I'm just closer and closer to almost being done, y'all. Okay guys, so my nails are finally done. This is how they're looking. I think they look so cute, y'all. Especially the matte nail. Like, the matte nail just looks so cool. But yeah, I put like some little lollipops on my pinky and my thumb. And then this hand, it's literally just the exact same, y'all. I'm happy I kept my Melody matte because I feel like she complements the other matte nail really cute. But I'm just about to wash and scrub them and make sure there's no leftover nail product on my hand. And now I'm probably going to shower and do my makeup, or do my makeup and then shower, but I could use a break. Okay guys, I just did my makeup. I'm kind of upset because I just noticed that I didn't even record me doing my makeup, y'all. But I wanted to try and do my makeup without any eyeliner just to see how it looks. Well, I technically have white eyeliner on, but I mean like my cat eye, because I usually have been doing cat eyes. But with this type of look, I think I'm actually going to contour my face. I usually don't contour because I feel like my cheekbones are super noticeable. But I think I'm a contour. I'm just going to have to be super careful. Okay. I want to create some shadow right here on the cheek a little. Oh wait, I need to get this little, I don't know if you guys remember that little scab I had on my cheek, but it finally went away, but now it's lighter than my skin. So I just need to press this down and let it blend. Okay. I forgot to add my beauty marks. I don't know how I almost forgot my beauty marks, y'all. These are like my little signature beauty marks I be doing. And I just put them where I have like my actual beauty marks. I'm scared to do extra because I feel like that would look dumb as fuck. But I did see that trend where people were putting beauty marks over their pimples. I feel like I would do something like that. But if I'm being honest, I feel like I don't be getting pimples. Right now, I would go in with a second layers to lay everything in, but I'm doing at-home videos, so I don't want to mess up. I mean, I don't want to waste any products, so I need to get this to where it's not looking ashy. Okay, that's way better. I need some more blush though. Yeah, I think that's what I was missing. There we go. So cute. But this is it, y'all. I feel so cute. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys want to see like a makeup video or anything like that, let me know. Really just let me know any type of video you guys want to be seeing. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and bye.